Namaskar, myself Dr. Ganesh Lokhande, Head Department of Psychology, Ray Shikshan Samsthas, R.B. Narayan Rao Borake College, Sri Rampur. Today, I am talk about fields of psychology. This video I am created for assignment work of faculty development program. KTHM College Nashik conducted 10 days faculty development program on effective ways to develop e-content for teaching learning. So this video is part of assignment work of faculty development program. Now I am going to fields of psychology. Psychology is a science of human behavior and their mental process. Psychology have been some fields of psychology. Some fields of psychology, these are following. First is developmental psychology. Developmental psychology is the one of the field of psychology. Developmental psychology study focuses on human growth and their development. It means human lifespan and development. Another thing is changes and importance of every life stages of the human. And also developmental psychology has been studied health, cognition process, physical, mental, social, and personality development of the human. Another fields of psychology is a social psychology. Social psychology study focuses on interpersonal and social behavior of the person, as well as social psychology has been studied social loafing, social influence, aggression of the human, attitude and prejudice process, attraction and rejection, communication process and its importance of the human life, and also group behavior and attribution process. This part of study part of social psychology. And also social psychology has been studied self and self concept of the human. Another branch of psychology is a clinical and counseling psychology. Clinical and counseling psychology is the most important and significant branch of the psychology. This is very popular branch of psychology. Clinical and counseling psychology has been studied focuses on diagnosis and treatments of abnormal behavior as well as perspectives of abnormal behavior. Clinical and counseling psychology has been studied of various abnormal behavior and their interventions program on various disorder. Another branch of psychology is industrial and organizational psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology is a branch of psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology has been focuses on job analysis, personnel selection, work motivation, job satisfaction of the personnel, leadership style in the organizational sector, as well as industrial and organizational psychology has been study of the personnel training. Another branch of psychology is educational psychology. This branch is a vital branch of psychology. Educational psychology has been focuses on teaching learning processes as well as memory, learning, attention process of the human. Another things is educational psychology has been study focuses on motivation and emotion, learning principle, educational and psychological relationship, as well as intelligence, thinking and decision making. Also, educational psychology has been study personality related teaching learning processes. Field of psychology. Another field of psychology is health psychology. Health psychology has been focuses on health behavior. Health behavior is a most important part of our healthy health. It means our physical, mental, social, emotional health depend on our health behavior. Also, health psychology has been studied stress management, adjustment process, being happy, and positive emotions. It means positive emotions is a most important part of health psychology. Our emotions effectively managing necessary for our healthy life and healthy health. Another branch of psychology is a criminal and forensic psychology. This is new branch of psychology. Criminal and forensic psychology has been studied focuses on law and human behavior as well as system of forensic department. Another field of psychology is a sports psychology. Sports psychology has been focuses on impact of others' presence on sportsman performance as well as study has been audience behavior importance of the sport. Another branch of psychology is a women's psychology. Women's psychology is a new branch of psychology. Women's psychology has been studied focuses on women's problem and its solutions, as well as also women's psychology focuses on development of women and their health. These are some fields of psychology. Thank you.